In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement Stripe Apple Pay payment with react.js. So, let's dive in and get started with making your payment solutions more seamless and efficient. First, head over to the Stripe website, your financial infrastructure provider that helps you grow your revenue effectively. Once there, you want to begin by signing into your Stripe account. If you're new to Stripe, take a moment to explore, as it offers a range of tools to help optimize your financial transactions. After signing in, proceed to the Stripe Home section. This is the hub where you'll manage your account settings and payment activities. From here, navigate to the Settings page. It's essential to familiarize yourself with the Settings area, as it allows you to fine-tune your account, ensuring you're set up correctly for smooth operations. Now, click on Product Settings. In this section, you can review and configure the various services Stripe offers, tailoring them to fit your specific payment needs. Next, move on to the Payments section. Here you delve into the central aspect of the implementation: how payments are handled through your platforms. Understanding this area is crucial, as it determines the efficiency of your payment processes. Once you're in the Payments area, locate the segment dedicated to payment methods. This is where you'll explore various payment options available through Stripe. It's important to enable the right methods to match your business needs, ensuring a seamless customer experience. Within Payment Methods, find and click on Apple Pay. By selecting Apple Pay, you're choosing a secure and fast way to process payments, which is a favorite among iOS users due to its convenience and security. Apple Pay integration with Stripe can significantly enhance your checkout process, making it quick and secure, thereby increasing your conversion rates. Remember, setting up a smooth integration never happens in isolation. It's always a good idea to test your setup in the Stripe test mode. Stripe provides a robust testing environment that mimics live operations without dealing with actual money, allowing you to ensure your Apple Pay setup with react.js works flawlessly before going live. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through your Stripe account, explored settings, initiated Apple Pay, and paved the way for seamless transactions with react.js. By following these steps, you're well on your way to offering a robust, user-friendly payment solution that meets modern e-commerce standards. If you encountered any issues or have questions, be sure to check out Stripe's extensive documentation or community forum for additional help. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your integration.